Hello, my name is Jason Perkins, and I'm an attorney who specializes in helping injured workers with their workers' compensation claims. Now, in Georgia, one of the things that happens when you have a work injury is you usually end up receiving forms that are published by the State Board of Workers' Compensation. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a particular one of those forms called a Form WC-207. That's a form that's often used by the insurance company to get medical records from the doctors that have treated you for your work injury. It's a medical authorization. So after your injury, the insurance company will often send you this form to ask you to sign it so that they can then request records from your doctors. When the insurance company wants to get records from your doctors, often the doctors are going to require that an authorization be signed by you because your records are confidential. However, when you suffer an injury at work, the insurance company does have a right under the law to get you to sign an authorization so they can get particular medical records. Those records are the records for your work injury and also records for conditions that are reasonably related to that injury. So in other words, if you had an injury to your arm at work, then the insurance company is probably going to be able to go back and get medical records for when you had a prior injury to your arm or prior treatment on your arm of some kind. It isn't clear at this point exactly how far those reasonably related conditions will extend. That's a question for the courts to decide, but that's what the law says on the issue. Now, one thing to watch for is that sometimes the insurance company will try to get you to sign an authorization that's not a Form WC-207. The Form WC-207 should say on it that it's published by the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation. If an insurance company sends you another authorization and asks you to sign it, then you're going to need to consider whether it's one that you have to sign or not under the law. You are required to sign the Form WC-207, but you may not be required to sign other authorizations. Another authorization might provide the insurance company with a broader ability to get your medical records. They might be able to get medical records that are not even related to your workers' compensation case, and you would probably prefer that they didn't do that. If that comes up in your case, I'd certainly recommend that you talk to an attorney to find out if that's a form that you should sign or not. I hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or liking it. If you'd like to be notified of future videos that I publish on workers' compensation, just subscribe to this channel and you'll receive notifications in your email as videos come out. If you've got questions about anything, I'd recommend visiting our website. We've got articles published there about workers' compensation. That site's www.perkinslawtalk.com. You can find a lot of helpful information there. Or you can reach out to me with particular questions. I'd be happy to set up a free consultation with you. Probably the easiest way to do that is just by calling our office, 770-214-8885. Thanks for watching today, and I wish you the best as you recover from your injury.